and fellow hobbyists, welcome to another Saturday morning with Cut Dreams and Styrene, your host Gary G. Well, it took a little bit longer this time because I was a couple weeks out of town, but we finished our build. It's a i8 BMW. It's one of those futuristic looking Beamers. He's like at least 50 years ahead of its time, and so I figured, what can I do with that car? You know me, I have a hard time to just put it out, glue the plastic together and paint it. I always have to do something, you know, I have to be inspired. So I thought, since the car looks so over the top already, I wanna try to make a whole body kit using Milliput and only Styrene. And that's what I did. I also tried the first time this time flocking. Yeah, we shall see. But that's all that I have to say to the build so far. Look for yourself in the garage. that's all that I have so far from the build for you. I hope you liked it. I really enjoyed to building it. It was a lot of fun, a new experience. What I'm gonna do for the future, I don't know. What's the next build? I'm gonna go to my kids and be inspired by it. Have fun with all the builds that you're gonna do. Stay on YouTube. I really enjoy watching your videos, definitely. Rather than that, stay healthy, be safe. Bye bye y'all.